Hey guys, my name is Bria. Real quick today, I'm just going to show you how to use a Lilla Rose Flexi Clip. They're very easy to learn. I'm going to show you how to do just a basic ponytail, and then I will show how to do it if you're doing a bun or some other kind of updo in your hair. For a ponytail, the basic idea is you want to grab all of your hair and just sandwich it kind of in between the pin and this top part. And then all you need to do is push this pin through this little loop on this side and push it through. To release it, you just pull the pin on this side and it comes free very easily. For an updo, the main thing you need to remember is to keep this pin right against your scalp. That's what's going to hold on to this hair. You want to think about holding your hair against your head, not so much putting this through your hair. You want to think about putting it right against your head. Slide it all the way on both sides of your updo, and then find where that pin came through and push it through the little loop. If you're having trouble getting your Flexi Clip to stay in, the most common issue is that the clip is actually a little bit too big. When you first buy your Flexi, you do have 3 months to exchange it for a different size if you ended up with the incorrect size. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I will also leave a shopping link in the description. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more hair content. Thank you.